Unlock the secrets of effective scalp care routine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for both your hair health and overall well-being. The scalp care routine. Whether you're just starting your journey into hair care or looking to improve your existing routine, understanding how to take care of your scalp is key. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to a healthy scalp. A scalp care routine involves practices and treatments aimed at keeping the skin on your head healthy. This skin, known as the scalp, requires attention and care, much like the skin on the rest of your body. A good routine can prevent issues like dryness, irritation, dandruff, and even hair loss, ensuring that your hair has a strong, healthy foundation to grow from. The health of your scalp can directly affect the health and appearance of your hair. A well-cared-for scalp means healthier hair follicles, which can lead to stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair. Moreover, a proper scalp care routine can alleviate discomfort from conditions such as itchiness or sensitivity, making it a crucial part of your overall hygiene and self-care practices. 1. Cleansing. Regular washing with a gentle, pH-balanced shampoo removes dirt, oil, and product buildup without stripping the scalp of its natural oils. 2. Exfoliating. Using a scalp scrub or exfoliating treatment once a week can help remove dead skin cells and promote healthy skin renewal. 3. Moisturizing. Just like the rest of your skin, your scalp needs hydration. Lightweight, non-comedogenic oils or specialized scalp moisturizers can prevent dryness. 4. Massaging. Regular scalp massages increase blood circulation, promoting healthy hair growth and providing relaxation. 5. Protection. Protecting the scalp from harmful UV rays, pollution, and extreme temperatures is essential. Hats, scarves, and specific scalp-focused sunscreens can offer significant benefits. Overwashing. Stripping your scalp of its natural oils can lead to dryness and irritation. Using harsh products, ingredients like sulfates and alcohol can be too harsh for sensitive scalps. Neglecting hydration, failing to moisturize the scalp can result in dryness and flakiness. Ignoring scalp health. Not addressing scalp issues promptly can lead to worsening conditions and affect hair health. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of a scalp care routine and how you can implement one in your daily life. Remember, a healthy scalp is the foundation of beautiful hair, so don't overlook this crucial aspect of your hair care regimen. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on English language learning and wellness. Take care, and see you in the next video.